हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Art. Leave granted, full stop, para. We heard learned counsel for the parties at length for deciding this appeal, those facts which are essential to understand the nature of controversy are captured hereinafter, full stop, para. The appellants, who are 3 in numbers, and the private respondents, who are 27 in numbers, in bracket hereinafter referred to as the private respondents bracket out, are members of one family, full stop. Their predecessors owned land in the revenue estate of Burari, Delhi since 1948, that is much before the Delhi Land Reforms Act 1954 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket out was enacted, full stop. The appellants therefore claimed that they are co-sharers with the private respondents in the said land, which is described as Khewat numbers 73 and 85 in Revenue Estate, Burari, Delhi, full stop. According to them, total area of the said land comprised by the aforesaid two Khewat numbers is 253.31 Bigha, which is now owned by the said family members, full stop. After coming into force of the said act, a part of said land was recorded in the Bhumidhari of the appellants only, full stop. This gave cause of action to the private respondents / their predecessors to file proceedings under section 11 of the act for declaration that they were also Bhumidhars of the said land, which could not be exclusively entered in the name of the appellants, full stop. The appellants, on the other hand, claimed that the land in respect of which they were declared Bhumidhars vested in them exclusively as a result of oral partition and repartition during consolidation proceedings conducted in the year 1975-76, full stop. The Court of Revenue Assistant decided the issue in favor of the appellants and dismissed the proceedings initiated by the private respondents, full stop. First appeal of the private respondents preferred against the aforesaid order was also dismissed, full stop. However, their second appeal to the Financial Commissioner was accepted, wide orders dated February 8, 1979, and these private respondents were declared as Bhumidhars in accordance with their shares, along with the appellants in respect of those lands contained in Khewat numbers 73 and 85 in the revenue estate of Burari, full stop. Para. The consolidation officer implemented the aforesaid orders, wide his orders dated December 31, 1982, thereby modifying the allotment pursuant to the repartition, full stop. The appellants, on the other hand, did not accept this order and preferred a revision petition to the Financial Commissioner against orders dated December 31, 1982, full stop. Main plea of the appellants was that the consolidation officer could not have ordered modification in the allotment, having become functus officio, full stop. The Financial Commissioner, however, rejected the revision petition of the appellants, wide his orders dated June 14, 1983, full stop. He held that since at the time when the order dated February 8, 1979 in bracket supra bracket out was passed, holding the private respondents / their predecessors as Bhumidhars, together with the appellants, consolidation proceedings in the village were in progress. The private respondents / their predecessors were entitled to approach the consolidation officer for allotment of land to them in lieu of their share in the Bhumidhari rights out of Khewat numbers 73 and 85, full stop. Para. The contentions of the appellants that the consolidation officer had become functus officio and could not effect partition was negatived, and the consolidation officer was held to be entitled to allot land to the private respondents, their predecessors, as per their joint caveats with the appellants. Full stop. Para. The appellants preferred CWP number 2462/1984 in the High Court against the aforesaid order dated June 14, 1983 of the Financial Commissioner. Full stop. The said writ petition was dismissed. Wide order dated February 11, 1985. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये आपका 110 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट एपीएस के लिए हो गया है। अब इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह बुरारी आया था, तो बी थ्रो द लाइन, आर की डबलिंग, ई की वॉवल आफ्टर में, ठीक है, बुरारी हो जाएगा। और इसमें और कुछ खेवट है, खेवट पूरा बनेगा, ऑन द लाइन के, वे का स्ट्रोक और टी, और के को काट दीजिएगा, खेवट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। कुछ नाम पूरे बनते हैं, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसमें, और खेवट हो गया। और भूमिधारी तो आपको पता ही है, बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है ये। और कुछ इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह और कुछ आ नहीं रहा, अगर कोई नाम वगैरह है तो बता दीजिएगा, वैसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, ठीक है। तो डिक्टेशन लेके बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन। थैंक यू सो मच। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। कल एक दिन गैप हो गया एपीएस के लिए, सॉरी, अब नहीं होगा। ओके, बाय बाय।